Do you dare to change your lane? नहीं समझ आया? Let's get a few facts here. 80% of millennials are in some kind of stress. Now we are the future of tomorrow. We are the future of our country. तो अब देश कैसे चलाएंगे अगर हम सब स्ट्रेस में रहेंगे तो? The prime reason for stress is trying to look good in the eyes of a society, trying to please our society. That's the major reason why we all millennials are in stress. We do not know what we like, we do not know what we don't like, we do not know what our passion is. Even if we earn enough, we are never satisfied in life. So, for this reason, I have made it my life's mission to give clarity to the millennial generation, to live life on their terms, and not be bogged down by societal pressure. And for this reason, I have created this channel, Dare to Change Lanes. And in this channel, I will bring all individuals who have dared to change their lanes and can be a source of inspiration for all of us. And for this episode, I have got Mr. Rohan Gujral of Comicstan fame and a known celebrity as far as the stand up scene in India is concerned. Let's have a look as to what his say is on following your passion and doing what you really love doing in life and how it can change you as an individual.
Hello, Rohan. Thank you, first of all, for accepting my invitation, and it's a pleasure to have you on board.
Pleasure is all mine, Nimish.
Thank you, Rohan. So the first question from my side is, what, according to you, are the reasons that stop people from doing what they really love doing? What are the reasons as to what stops people from following their passion?
Fear.
Okay. Could you please elaborate on that?
See, I feel all of us deal with fear on a regular basis, and it depends from person to person on what level you deal with fear. But many things that you want to do, eventually I think it's more about the conditioning that happens when you're growing up. A lot of people get conditioned to a certain way of living, and they find they want to do something else. They want to truly go and do what they like doing and maybe slightly adventurous stuff, but they don't go there because they're used to the comfort zone, and it's very uncomfortable to get out of that, although they know that's where they would enjoy more. People choose comfort over enjoyment. That's the problem, and that happens because of fear.
True.
So if you're able to trump fear, you will be able to go there.
Cool. So could you just talk about your journey a bit as to what is the main reason behind you taking this lane of life, this path?
So see, buddy, in college only I recognized I really like doing this. See, I was one of those people who realized his passion soon enough. I was lucky that way. There was an event in our college, Ignite, याद है क्या? Ignite होता था हमारे college में. तो Ignite जीत गया था मैं. And उसके बाद I realized कि this is amazing. मतलब तुम स्टेज पे जाके जोक सुना रहे हो और लोग हंस रहे हैं और पैसे दे रहे हैं. ये इससे बेटर कुछ हो सकता है क्या? ये क्या है ये? ये सबसे टाइम पास प्रोफेशन है ये. बेस्ट चीज है ये. So I realized ये बहुत मजेदार चीज है. And but I was again, I have dealt with fear a lot. मतलब I know exactly what goes around the people of mind, because even I was in like a good college, good setup चल रहा है. प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि या तो तुम बचपन से फुद्दू हो कि तुम्हारी कहीं जम नहीं रही है, तुम पढ़ाई में बुद्धू थे और हर जगह बुद्धू थे, तुमको लग रहा है कि चलो अभी ऑप्शन ही क्या है, जो मन में आता है कर लो. बट यूजुअली ऐसा होता नहीं. यूजुअली होता है कि लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तुम्हारा क्लिक कर जाता है. तुम कहीं ना कहीं एग्जाम में अच्छा कर लोगे, कहीं जॉब लग जाएगी तुम्हारी, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, which makes you be like, चलो ठीक है अभी यहाँ पर चल रहा है ना, गाड़ी चल रही है ना, तो यहाँ पर क्यों हटूं मैं. So the same thing happened to me. Although I in college only realized I love stand up. In the 4th year of college, I got placed in a multinational, and it was a good package and stuff. And I gave into comfort instead of going for what I like doing. I was like, सब set है, safe option. I went to that thinking कि safe है, comfort है, सब best रहेगा. Parents ने भी बोल दिया, friends ने भी बोल दिया, best, awesome. And वो मैंने जब तक डिले कर सका करता रहा. Although inside I knew कि ये नहीं है, but I was like, चलो कोई stress नहीं है, कर लेंगे. Until I reached the job. When I reached the job, I was like, ये नहीं, ये बकवास है. Because problem is कि you're not, if you, मतलब I think the best thing that can happen to you is you go there and you realize कि comfort is not what you're seeking. that if you realize that soon enough in your life that you don't really seek comfort, the idea of comfort that people say na ki ye comfortable cheez hai, ye kar le, ye safe hai, that's not what you're chasing in life. You're chasing enjoyment, fun, thrill. I'm not saying stability also. Stability नहीं बोल रहा कि give up कर रहे हैं. Instability नहीं chase करते हो. You're chasing stability, but don't mistake comfort for stability. Okay. That is a big difference. One should realize कि if you do what you enjoy doing, eventually you will figure out something and you will become stable in that, and you will also have fun. Don't just chase comfort thinking कि यहाँ पर comfort है, life set है, तो यहाँ पर stability ढूंढ लूंगा और हो जाएगा. वो नहीं होएगा. That approach is wrong.
जो फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है ना, फर्स्ट स्टेप जो ट्रिगर पॉइंट होता है कि बस नाउ आई एम गोइंग, वो फर्स्ट स्टेप कैसे आता है?
यार वो फर्स्ट स्टेप आता है फ्रस्ट्रेशन से. मुझे फ्रस्ट्रेशन बहुत लगा था बिकॉज इन माय जॉब, मतलब आई हैड एवरीथिंग यार, मतलब एवरीथिंग, मतलब व्हाट एनी 21-year-old कैन इमेजिन ना, आई हैड दैट. मतलब आई हैड अ ग्रेट जॉब. मेरे जॉब में पता है तुमको, वो फॉरेन लेके जाते थे. सिंगापुर गया था मैं, बिजनेस क्लास उड़ा था मैं, पता है वो, मतलब बिजनेस क्लास उड़ाती थी वो कंपनी. लेकिन नेक्स्ट लेवल लग्जरीज अलग अलग. 21 के मैं बिजनेस क्लास उड़ रहा हूँ, जॉब सेट है, गुड पैकेज, गर्लफ्रेंड भी बन गई थी, लाइफ सेट है, मतलब ओवरऑल एकदम सब एस्पेक्ट्स में सब चल रहा था सेट. बट आई वाज मिजरेबल. आई वाज लाइक ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये तो मुझे, नॉट द गर्लफ्रेंड पार्ट वाज गुड, बट द जॉब पार्ट आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो I really don't want to do this. मतलब मैं यहाँ पर क्या आ गया. मतलब everyone around me was very happy कि अरे dude ये रोहन बहुत मचा रहा है, dude पैसे भी solid है और ये जॉब भी सेट है, सिंगापुर होके आ गया भाई, ये तो बेस्ट इंसान है, ये तो इसके ऐसा बनने का है. तो but I was inside damn frustrated. I was like ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्या कर रहा हूँ. मतलब there is only so much you can live to please or live up to other people's expectations. You're like ठीक है बस हो गया यार, I can't live more like this. I have to go do my thing. That's वो breaking point आया मेरे लाइफ में. आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन ही होता है वो, और कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
ट्रू यार, ट्रू. अच्छा, ये जो नाउ दैट अभी दे हैव टेकन द फर्स्ट स्टेप, को थोड़ा पैसे भी कमा रहे हैं, खुश है अभी, व्हाटएवर दे आर डूइंग, जो मोमेंटम होता है वो सस्टेन कैसे करते हैं लोग?
ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट. दिस इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट, एंड दिस यू विल रियलाइज ओनली व्हेन यू लूज मोमेंटम. एक बार तुम्हारा मोमेंटम बनेगा, तुमको मजा आएगा, तुमको लगेगा मैंने तो क्रैक कर लिया यार, मैं तो बेस्ट आदमी हूँ. देन तुम हक दोगे और तुम्हारा मोमेंटम चला जाएगा. एंड देन जब तुम्हारा मोमेंटम जाएगा ना, वो मोमेंटम वापस बनाने के लिए इतना एफर्ट लगता है. जब तुमको वो रियलाइज होगा कि ये मोमेंटम बनाने को कितना एफर्ट लगता है, तब तुम मोमेंटम छोड़ोगे नहीं. देन यू विल बी लाइक आई नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी एंड डिसिप्लिन टू एन एक्सटेंट कि आई नो मोमेंटम जब चल रहा है तो छोड़ना नहीं होता, क्योंकि जब छोड़ोगे तो रीबिल्ड करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है.
Okay.
Basically, the point is every, like how you ask को भी क्वेश्चन की ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट कब आता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन से. मोमेंटम कैसे सस्टेन करते हैं, फेलियर से. So basically any negative thing that happens teaches you कि okay, and your mistake only teaches you कि oh ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है. But important thing is that you go in the direction of what you like. तो उसमें जो mistakes हैं, the lesson you'll get out of them will be productive at least not कि तुम कोई रैंडम डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो, वहां पर मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, वो तो पॉइंट भी नहीं है, तुमको जाना भी नहीं था वहां पे. At least if you make 1,000 mistakes in the profession that you want to do, it's acceptable. But if you make if you're flawless in the profession you didn't want to do, that's just still misery. You're getting it?
So now that you're talking about failures, ठीक है, now 1,000 mistakes से लोग सीखते हैं, but there are some people जो failures, after they face failures they just give up in life, right? So what should they do so that वो give up नहीं मारते हैं? अभी कॉलोनल सैंडर्स का एग्जांपल ले लो, he knocked on the doors of 1,000+ people, उसके बाद उसका रेसिपी जो है फाइनलाइज हुआ, KFC वाला. What makes you just not give up and then just go for the full Monty?
Because you enjoy the process. That's the whole point ना. मतलब if can I motivate you to go and do gardening? मतलब I'll be like gardening कर ले, बहुत पैसा सही है इसमें, बहुत मस्त पैसा है, तेरे को एवरीडे मैं 1 लाख रुपए दूंगा, गार्डनिंग कर, कल से गार्डनिंग कर, और तेरे को दिन में तेरे को 15 घंटे गार्डनिंग करने का दिन में, लेकिन दिन का 1 लाख मिलेगा तुझे. Will you do it? No. You can't do it because you don't like it. But I'll tell you कि तेरे को है ना zero पैसा मिलेगा, zero पैसा, but you get to do what you love, and eventually you figure out how to make money. वो तो you will figure out if you are smart enough. but you get to do what you love, you will do it irrespective because you enjoy the thing only. The point is, again, it's about approach only, na. If you're chasing some goal कि मुझको ये achieve करना है, then you won't enjoy the process. मतलब then you don't really enjoy the process. You're just chasing कि मुझको ये पहुंचना है, मुझको ये इतने पैसे कमाने हैं, मुझे ये करना है. You should pick a field based upon what you enjoy doing only. If you enjoy doing the process, तेरे को success late भी मिला, जल्दी मिला, you wouldn't care. ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि success, ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि don't learn from a failure. Of course, you chase success as soon as possible, but all of the obstacles that come, all of the things that come will make sense to you. मतलब that's what I'm saying ना. मतलब if you go on a journey which you don't like and you're facing failure, you're like ये क्या है, जिंदगी pointless है, कुछ भी नहीं. But if you go on a journey that you like, you're like, oh, इससे मैं ये सीखा, इससे मेरा ये हुआ, then your mind will help you build a narrative in your head only कि oh नहीं मैं इससे भी सीखा, मैं इससे भी सीखा, मैं इसमें grow हुआ, ये growth मुझे productive हो गया आगे, ये lesson मुझे आगे काम आएंगे. So that is वो कब होगा? When you see some weightage in what you're doing na, and what you really like doing.
So now that you've spoken about a lot of things, which makes complete sense to me, because this is what even I tell people, right? Difference between comfort, stability. मतलब growth चाहिए तो you need to be uncomfortable in the beginning. Starting में तो वैसे ही होता है. You are uncomfortable with a lot of things. You spoke about frustration, then you spoke about doing what you love ultimately. One last thing. What is your ultimate success mantra that you would want the millennial generation to know, to follow what they really love doing? एक आपका success mantra.
Success mantra. See, I would suggest understand yourself. If you understand what you are na, and who you are, what your mind is like, how what is the point of basically जो existentialism है ना, थोड़ा बहुत जो तुमको आ रहा होगा या तुमको ये है, don't neglect it. जो भी तुमको questions आते हैं, जो भी तुमको चीजें, the more you neglect your mind ना, the more I have a few friends who just are like हाँ ठीक है job चल रही है, weekend पे दारू पी ले, चल मरा है, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, चल. There you are running away from your own mind. You can't run away from life. Don't run away from life. Take life head on, because life is meant to be enjoyed. If you take life head on, you will, even though it may seem difficult initially, but eventually it will get easier, and then it will become super easy because you took on the life. It's like how तुमको स्कूल में अगर एक bully है, बंदा bully करता है, and तू उसको ignore कर रहा है, वो क्या करेगा? वो तेरे को bully करता रहेगा ना? वो तेरे को bully करता रहेगा. But if you take out the bully head on, शुरू में वो भी तेरे को bully कर, but eventually realize कि नहीं, ये भी ये है, सख्त है, ये मार देगा मेरी, तो then क्या करेगा? वो चुप बैठेगा फिर. And then you can bully him. I'm not saying go bully him, but you get the point, right? If you take things head on, you will find a solution to them, and then it will go and your life will become much better. So success mantra would be that only, कि don't escape from your own fears and whatever things that come to you, your gut feelings, your intuition. Don't escape from it.
Okay. It's been wonderful talking to you, Rohan. Thank you so much for your time. I'm sure this will inspire millions of millennials out there. Thank you for your time,
Rohan.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nimish. Thank you.